How to fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing on PC. In this guide, I'll show you several methods that can help fix crashing issues in Forza Horizon 6. Fix 1. Verify game files on Steam. First, open Steam and locate Forza Horizon 6 inches your library. Right-click the game and select Properties. Next, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game files and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Fix 2. Adjust graphics settings. Open the Windows search bar and type Graphics Settings, then open it. Under Graphics Settings, look for Optimizations for Windowed Games and disable it. If you see the option for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, try turning it off as well. Next, click Browse or Add Desktop App and locate the Forza Horizon 6 executable file. Once the game is added to the list, click on it, select Options, and set the GPU preference to High Performance. Save the changes before closing the window. Fix 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can often cause game crashes. Open your graphics software, such as NVIDIA App, GeForce Experience, or AMD Software, Adrenaline Edition. Check for available driver updates and install the latest version. If chipset driver updates are available from your motherboard manufacturer, install those as well. Once all updates are complete, restart your PC. These fixes resolve crashing issues for many players and are definitely worth trying before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.